In a world where health is our greatest asset, what if the secret to mastering diabetes lies within the foods we eat? Join me on an enlightening journey as we unravel the mysteries of managing diabetes through diet and nutrition. Are you ready to discover the delicious and empowering path to a healthier life? Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we embark on a transformative exploration of managing diabetes through diet and nutrition. Diabetes is a prevalent health condition affecting millions worldwide, but with the right approach to food, it can be managed effectively. In this journey, we'll uncover the principles, strategies, and delicious recipes that can empower you to take charge of your health and well-being. Picture a world where every meal becomes a tool in your arsenal against diabetes. What if the ingredients in your kitchen held the power to regulate blood sugar levels and enhance your overall health? As we delve into the intricacies of managing diabetes through diet and nutrition, get ready to be enlightened and inspired. Can the food on your plate truly be the key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant life? Let's embark on this fascinating journey together, understanding diabetes and nutrition. Before we dive into the specifics of managing diabetes through diet, let's understand the basics. Diabetes is a metabolic disorder characterized by elevated blood sugar levels, either due to insufficient insulin production or ineffective use of insulin by the body. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in diabetes management, as certain foods can impact blood sugar levels, insulin sensitivity, and overall health. The power of balanced nutrition. Our journey begins with the cornerstone of diabetes management, balanced nutrition. A balanced diet consists of a variety of nutrient-rich foods that provide essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. For individuals with diabetes, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is paramount, and a balanced diet can help achieve this goal. The plate method, a simple visual tool, can guide meal planning for individuals with diabetes. Imagine your plate divided into sections, half filled with non-starchy vegetables, a quarter with lean protein sources, and the remaining quarter with whole grains or starchy vegetables. This approach ensures a balanced intake of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, promoting stable blood sugar levels and overall health. Fueling your body with healthy carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are a crucial component of our diet, providing energy for daily activities. However, for individuals with diabetes, the type and quantity of carbohydrates consumed can significantly impact blood sugar levels. Opting for healthy carbohydrates with a low glycemic index, such as whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables, can help regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. Fiber-rich foods such as oats, barley, lentils, and beans not only slow down the absorption of sugar, but also promote satiety and digestive health. Incorporating these nutrient-dense carbohydrates into your meals can contribute to better blood sugar control and long-term diabetes management. In navigating this nutritional landscape, the discerning choice of healthy carbohydrates emerges as a beacon of guidance, offering a pathway toward optimal glycemic control and overall well-being. By embracing carbohydrates endowed with a low glycemic index, such as wholesome whole grains, nutrient-rich legumes, vibrant fruits, and verdant vegetables, individuals can embark on a journey of sustained metabolic harmony. Embracing the spectrum of whole grains, from hearty oats to nutty quinoa, provides a steady release of glucose into the bloodstream, fostering a gradual rise in blood sugar levels and mitigating the risk of sudden spikes. Likewise, the inclusion of legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans not only enriches the palate with a tapestry of flavors, but also bestows a wealth of fiber and protein, contributing to prolonged satiety and stabilized blood sugar levels. Embracing the power of protein. In the intricate tapestry of human nutrition, protein emerges as a linchpin, weaving its influence through the very fabric of physiological functions. This omnipresent nutrient, indispensable for the intricate dance of life, orchestrates a symphony of actions vital to our well-being. At the core of this nutritional ballet lies the undeniable importance of protein, a multifaceted compound that transcends mere sustenance. The essential symphony of physiological functions. Protein, a molecular maestro, orchestrates an array of physiological functions with unparalleled finesse. Its roles extend far beyond the realm of simple sustenance, embracing the intricate processes of muscle repair, immune fortification, and hormone production. As the cornerstone of cellular architecture, protein serves as the scaffolding upon which the edifice of optimal health is constructed. A nutrient alchemy, the dynamic role in diabetes management. In the realm of diabetes, where the delicate equilibrium of blood sugar levels hangs in the balance, the role of protein becomes all the more pivotal. The judicious incorporation of lean protein sources into meals emerges as a potent strategy, a nutritional alchemy that holds the promise of stability. By doing so, individuals with diabetes can navigate the labyrinth of metabolic challenges with finesse, fostering the elusive balance required for sustainable well-being. Stabilizing blood sugar levels, the protein panacea. Picture protein as the guardian of glycemic harmony, diligently working to stabilize blood sugar levels with unwavering commitment. Through its unique ability to mitigate the postprandial rise in glucose, protein becomes a stalwart ally in the battle against erratic blood sugar fluctuations. For individuals grappling with diabetes, this inherent quality of protein serves as a beacon of hope, a dietary tool that empowers them to navigate the complex terrain of glucose management. Satiety, the symbiotic dance of protein and fullness. In the ethereal realm of satiety, protein takes center stage, orchestrating a symbiotic dance that transcends mere nourishment. The incorporation of lean protein sources into meals not only satiates the palate, but also extends its influence into the realm of metabolic regulation. As the herald of fullness, protein becomes a linchpin in the pursuit of dietary satisfaction, offering a sustainable solution to cravings while safeguarding against the pitfalls of overindulgence. A culinary overture, embracing the diversity of lean protein sources. To embark on this nutritional journey is to traverse a culinary landscape teeming with diverse and delectable options. From succulent poultry and fish to legumes and dairy, the repertoire of lean protein sources beckons, inviting individuals with diabetes to embrace a symphony of flavors that harmonize with their health goals. This culinary overture becomes a celebration of choice, empowering individuals to craft meals that not only delight the palate, but also fortify the body against the challenges posed by diabetes. In essence, the power of protein transcends the confines of a mere nutrient. It emerges as a potent force, shaping the narrative of optimal health and diabetes management. As we unravel the intricacies of this nutritional powerhouse, let us embrace the transformative potential that lies within, heralding a future where protein stands as a cornerstone in the architecture of well-being. Healthy fats, finding the right balance. While fats have often been vilified, they play a crucial role in our health, including hormone regulation, nutrient absorption, and brain function. For individuals with diabetes, choosing healthy fats in moderation is key to maintaining heart health and overall well-being. Healthy fat sources include avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These fats can help reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol levels, and support cardiovascular health, all of which are essential considerations for individuals managing diabetes. The impact of portion control. Portion control is a fundamental aspect of diabetes management and weight control. Even healthy foods can contribute to elevated blood sugar levels if consumed in excessive amounts. Practicing mindful eating and portion control techniques can help individuals with diabetes regulate their carbohydrate intake and manage blood sugar levels effectively. Measuring food portions, using smaller plates, and paying attention to hunger and fullness cues are practical strategies for controlling portion sizes. By being mindful of portion sizes and listening to your body's hunger signals, you can enjoy a satisfying meal while supporting your diabetes management goals. Strategies for meal planning and preparation. Meal planning and preparation are essential tools for successful diabetes management. By planning and preparing nutritious meals, you can make healthier choices and avoid impulse eating decisions that may negatively impact blood sugar levels. Start by creating a weekly meal plan that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods from all food groups. Consider incorporating batch cooking and meal prepping techniques to streamline the cooking process and ensure nutritious meals are readily available throughout the week. Experiment with different recipes and flavors to keep meals exciting and enjoyable while supporting your diabetes management goals. Role of physical activity. Physical activity stands as a pivotal pillar in the edifice of diabetes management, complementing the dietary paradigm with its own unique arsenal of benefits. Beyond the realm of nutrition, regular engagement in physical activity emerges as a potent catalyst for metabolic harmony and overall well-being. Its multifaceted impact spans across the physiological spectrum, orchestrating a symphony of adaptations that resonate throughout the body. At its core, exercise serves as a powerful modulator of blood sugar dynamics, wielding its influence to temper the peaks and valleys of glucose fluctuations. Through a combination of intricate metabolic pathways, physical activity facilitates the uptake of glucose by skeletal muscle, thereby diminishing the burden on insulin and promoting glycemic control. This symbiotic relationship between exercise and glucose metabolism forms the bedrock of its therapeutic efficacy in diabetes management. Furthermore, the benefits of physical activity extend beyond the confines of glycemic regulation, encompassing a holistic spectrum of metabolic adaptations. Regular exercise augments insulin sensitivity, enhancing the responsiveness of target tissues to the hormone's signaling cues. This heightened sensitivity translates into improved glucose uptake and utilization, fostering a milieu of metabolic efficiency within the body. Moreover, the impact of exercise reverberates across the realms of cardiovascular health, where its cardiovascular benefits are unparalleled. By promoting vasodilation, reducing arterial stiffness, and bolstering cardiac function, physical activity serves as a stalwart guardian against the ravages of cardiovascular disease, a frequent companion on the journey of diabetes. Through its cardioprotective effects, exercise not only mitigates the risk of cardiovascular complications, but also bestows upon individuals a newfound sense of vitality and vigor. Weight management, another cornerstone of diabetes care, finds a steadfast ally in the form of physical activity. Through a judicious combination of aerobic exercise and strength training, individuals can embark on a transformative journey towards sustainable weight loss and body composition optimization. By augmenting energy expenditure, preserving lean body mass, and fostering metabolic flexibility, exercise emerges as a potent weapon in the battle against obesity, an adversary intricately intertwined with the fabric of insulin resistance. Guidelines recommend a minimum of 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity per week, interspersed with bouts of strength training exercises at least 2 days a week. This prescription serves as a compass, guiding individuals towards the shores of metabolic resilience and physical well-being. Whether through brisk walks in the park, invigorating sessions of cycling, or the rhythmic cadence of resistance training, the avenues for physical activity are as diverse as they are rewarding. The importance of monitoring and adaptation. Monitoring blood sugar levels and staying attuned to your body's responses are essential aspects of diabetes management. Regularly monitoring blood sugar levels allows you to track changes, identify patterns, and make informed adjustments to your diet, medication, and lifestyle. Keep a food diary to record your meals, snacks, and blood sugar readings, along with any symptoms or reactions you experience. Reviewing this information with your healthcare provider can help tailor your diabetes management plan to better meet your individual needs and goals. As we conclude our journey through managing diabetes through diet and nutrition, one thing becomes clear: food is not just fuel, it's medicine. By making informed choices about the foods we eat and incorporating healthy habits into our daily lives, we can empower ourselves to take control of our health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of managing diabetes through diet and nutrition. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to explore in future videos, leave a comment below. Until next time, stay empowered, stay healthy.